Industrial non-cosmetic alcohols have been used for the purpose of brush cleaning without scrutiny across the cosmetic industry for some time. The two main types of alcohol used for the purpose of brush cleaning tend to fall into two categories: isopropyl alcohol, also known as IPA, and denatured ethanol. Let's first look at denatured ethanol. Ethanol is the very same alcohol contained in alcoholic drinks. Ethanol is also found in surgical spirit or rubbing alcohol. By law, toxic substances called denaturants are added to ensure that it is not fit for human consumption. These are toxic additives which are added to ethanol to make it bad tasting, foul smelling, or nauseating, to discourage people from drinking it for recreational consumption. The main additive traditionally used is methanol, a highly poisonous compound that can cause blindness. Now let's look at isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, also referred to as IPA, is a petrochemical derivative, purified to varying levels depending on its use. If IPA is not refined to a cosmetic standard, it can contain harmful petrochemical compounds such as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and heavy metals. These non-cosmetic solvents are intended to be used as industrial degreasers, surface cleaners, and occasional sanitizers. They contain toxic compounds which are known to be dangerous to the skin and to general health. So why shouldn't non-cosmetic solvents be used for cosmetic brush cleansing? When used to clean makeup brushes, the alcohol in the solvent evaporates, but leaves behind traces of the toxic elements, which are then transferred onto the skin. Research shows denaturants and heavy metals can have a negative effect on the skin, causing a breakdown in skin barrier function, premature aging, and free radical damage. Worse still, prolonged exposure to such compounds can be detrimental to health, having been linked to respiratory problems, cancers, organ damage, and cardiovascular disease. The residue is absorbed into the skin via the pores and then into the capillary network, where it is absorbed into the bloodstream and ultimately the major organs, where it can pose a serious threat to health. So, what makes Isocline different? Isocline products are grade C cosmetic, have ultra high purification levels, and contains aloe vera. With Isocline brush cleaner, you can be confident your brushes are hygienically clean and ready to use without transferring any harmful residue to the skin.